Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about trip from Pune to Mulshi. Whether we took the Mulshi route 10 July 2026 or not, I will show you in the video. In the map it was showing from Pune to Mulshi around 120 kilometers guys. So I thought of going there as it is very familiar route for me. So that's why I took a leave on Friday. I went to Mulshi, but unfortunately due to some rainfall and flooding, it was rerouting to me to Mulshi around 120 kilometers from Pune. So if you see, it was rerouting from Kolwan Powd Road and then all the way around Pauna and all. It was giving a map to Mulshi, but I thought of going directly there and decide whether to go or not. So I took this route because if in case the Mulshi is closed, I will come back again and I will take another route to Lavasa or Lonavala, something else I will take today. But anyway, the trip need to be taken today. I have done one booking and I cancelled it due to rains and all. So let's see whether it's closed or open, at what extent it is open, and how much can we explore. Till Senapati Bapat Madhyamilk Vidyalaya, I went there. There are barricades. So I stopped there. I just went back. I thought of leaving to Lavasa, but in the offline map it was showing Lonavala Aamby Valley Road. So I thought of exploring this road instead of going back. I will ping you the location at what extent I went there. But there is some ghat over here which is very steep. Consider only 4 to 5 hairpin turns are there. So after that there is very plain road. Some viewpoints are there. Look at the views guys, it was amazing. I think it's worth it. carried with us some utensils, a portable gas, and a ice box to make some food, breakfast, and coffee. We are having a coffee. So there are uninvited guests over here, and we are having a Maggie. It's an amazing view. I went to most of the Mulshi places, but this place is amazing. It's similar to Mulshi. Some parts are very similar to Mulshi, but the difference is this place is not crowded because no one knows this place, I feel. So guys, we need to travel back again to Pune. So I was hoping you find this video helpful. If you're planning a trip, go explore this place. If you felt it is worth it, then let me know in the comments. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.